Hi guys, today we've got some motorbike calipers to powder coat. They're a custom job that the customer would like. He's polished all the certain parts of the caliper he'd like to show off. So we've got a black satin to go over it with a nice clear, so it should really bring out that nice shine. They've already been cooked, degassed, so about to get it out of the oven and get powder coating.
Okay, so now the calipers are in the oven, they're all been coated, they're all been wiped down. They'll be in the oven until they reach 200 degrees. Once they hit that, they'll be there for about 10 minutes. We'll get it out, we'll get them out, cool them down, and let's see the magic transform.